Hi, it's me, Zayfor Beeblebrox, and I'm the British Tech Guru. Now, I'm in a really unlikely and rather cramped place at the moment, because this is the only place where I actually have a 12-volt socket. 12-volt cigarette lighter socket in the entire of my school bus motorhome. So I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to see what happens. I'm hoping that I don't blow a fuse. Well, I've just turned this on using this switch. Got a green light. That's always promising. I managed to find a full-size glue stick, so I'm going to feed that into the thing. Yeah, I feel it getting warm. This is the 12-volt glue gun, and I cannot remember right now where I got it, whether it was Temu, eBay, Walmart, or where. And for the lack of anything else, I'm going to glue this plastic, these two bits of plastic together. So we'll wait for this thing to warm up. Seems quite hot. Let's see. I think I'll give it another minute or so and just pause the video. Well, there's an interesting issue. It took the whole of the glue stick. I only had one glue stick, and I need another one to push it through. But let's see if I can do it with my thumb. Put my thumb in there, and oh yes. I'm getting hot glue out, and let's see if that worked. Turn it off now. And it has a nice little stand, so I can put it like that to cool. And I can smell the heat. Let's see, has that glue worked? Oh yeah, that worked. I just didn't wait long enough for it to cool. But yeah, that worked. I'm well happy with that. 12-volt glue gun. That'd be wonderful for onboard robotics, etc.